Okay, day 4, Figaro. Okay. Let's see, I did one this side. I'm gonna do them over here today, a little further back. Okay? A little further back today. Good boy. It's no good. See how when it pulls back the air bubbles?
Yeah.
Okay, now I've got it. It's not a good spot. It has a lot of tension when it's in the right spot. It's good there. Okay, it's only going to take a minute. Get this over with.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Paige talking to the cats. All done. All done. Let's look at you. Let's look at you. Okay. Let's check his belly. So they said as he starts to reabsorb the fluid, he can start becoming nauseous. So let's make sure that he's eating really good. His eyes look better.
Yeah.
You look like you're better. You look like you're better. Is Isabella your mama? Is Isabella your mama? Okay. We finished off one vial. Time for the next one tomorrow. He seems to be taking it pretty well, and I would say that his face looks better. His eyes aren't all watery. I can't tell if the fluid is starting to go down in his belly at all, but he's not breathing quickly. I think he looks a little healthier. You think so?
Yeah.